Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be reviewing a smart security light. The whole idea of this is that it's going to be like this awesome camera light. It's going to be sitting outside my house, just facing the driveway and the front of the house just to see what's going on. So this is interesting because it does have a lot of different icons on it, which means it supports a lot of different stuff. So as you can see in the box, you got the Amazon Alexa, Wi-Fi, 1080p, SD, records video, an Ethernet, light, alarm, some sort of detection, and it's waterproof. So that is an interesting combination to have. Now this light was purchased by us from an Amazon seller for $199, and I'm about to see if this is worth $199. But yeah, if you find a link in the description below, you'll be able to see more on it. Enough with that, let's open the box and see what's going on here. Let's open it. You guys can see I have 3 hands now, just opening the box, no problem. This Ethernet cable. We got a thank you card. There's a light bulb, A19. These sound like screws and brackets. Just reaching in here. Ooh, that is... There's another light bulb, okay. And then if I pull this, we got a user manual. And there's the light itself. Just taking a look at the light, just curious about the construction. We got some metallic elements, some plastic. There's some plastic over here, other metallic elements. Overall, it is pretty heavy, decently heavy. If I lift it up, it does feel like a proper light with a lot of heft to it. Looking at the back side here, a ground wire, red, black, positive, all that stuff, and then Ethernet right here. I'm kind of wondering how I'm going to wire the Ethernet on this one because it's going to be in the front of the house. I might need an extra long one, but that's something I'll figure out later. To start the installation, we'll go to the breaker, turn off the proper breaker. You could turn the light switch on, so then when you go to the breaker and turn it off and go outside, you can verify it that way. Remove the old lights. And the way you do this is, there are typically like 2 screws right here. You undo those. On the back side, you're going to see some nice twisty things around these. You're going to undo all of that. Remove the old metallic plates, or mounting plates, and then we'll proceed to the new light. Now for the new light, you're going to have a bracket that looks like this. You're going to notice there are 2 places to put screw holes, and to put screws, one here and one here. Screw in this side right here diagonally, screw in that side right there. You're gonna have a ground wire. It's gonna have like a different colored screw. You're gonna wire that right there and close or tighten that. Then tighten these 2 screws over here. Now that you have this nice firm diagonal bar. Here, this pivots a little bit, so you have to tighten this screw as well. Make sure you have a level to make sure that this is all flat and nice and leveled. So when you go in there and put on your light, it's going to be level as well. So screw this down, Make sure your ground wires go in through here. We can use the black hook that came with the product to wrap around this. So now we can connect all our wires together and not have to hold the light up with one hand. So I've done my part here. White to white over here, black to black over here, all twisted and snug or you can't really pull the wire out. Ground is all hooked up here. Now I'm ready to just mount the light where these screw posts are, right onto these screw posts here. So I'm just going to go back to the breaker, flip the switch on, and we're good. There is a green light on now. I set up the QR code, camera and everything, paired it to my app on my phone so I can get all the motion alerts. And I can even speak to it. It's pretty loud. You got to hear this. So listen to this, guys. Here's the camera working. You can see my wife right there picking up all the accessories. There's an intercom button right here. Check this out. There's the light. I'm going to speak to it. Hey kids, get off my lawn. Hey kids, get off my lawn. From this camera, you can also do things like turn the light on and off. See this? Press the light button. The light is on now. Press it again. And the light's off. That's legit, guys. So that's the camera that you get for $200. I'm really happy with this purchase. This is going to be awesome. All right, peace out. See you next video.